Well, hello my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this adorable birthday bear hug card right in Cricut Design Space. So I am making it a mission this year to make my own DIY birthday cards to send them out to my loved ones and friends, and actually just practice on getting better at my crafting, which means more tutorials and videos for you. So these little images I did get from Canva to incorporate in my design. They're really cute little teddy bears. I will have the Canva information listed below. So I just brought them into Cricut Design Space and just created a slight offset on each of the teddy bears. So for my actual base of my card, it's about 8 by 6 inches. This first layer of the card is about 3 by 6 inches. And then this little window portion of the card is about 6 by 3 inches. And what I did is I just brought in 3 squares and just sliced them out. And then I found a cute little stitching from Canva as well, and just added my sentiment and flattened my card. So my idea for this card is I kind of wanted it to pop out, and I wanted the bears to be just kind of like coming through the little window, just making it a really cute, adorable card. So when I originally created this design, I thought it'd be a good idea to pop out each of the little bear elements individually, which I'll show you later in the video when I go to assemble it. But when I was assembling the card, I was like, you know what, it would just be easier if I just flatten it and have each bear in the window, just making sure a piece of the little ear or the balloon touch, so when Cricut went to cut it, it would cut it out as a solid piece. And that's what I decided to do for future cards. But you live and learn, and you get better with your crafts. So now that I'm done with the design and I like the sizing, you can make it any size that you like. I went ahead and sent it to my Cricut Explore Air 2 to print and cut. Let's go start assembling the card. Alright, so now I have everything out. I'm ready to start assembling my card. And this was why I was stating that I wanted to just have it like kind of pop out through the window. So I really have been loving creating 3D designs this year. It's right up there with my resin projects. I think that's one of the favorite things I really enjoy doing. Just making homemade crafts and with your own 2 hands, it just means so much more. And you definitely can personalize it. And here at Crafting with Shaneda, we'll definitely take you along the journey with us as we get better at crafting. And this is what I was saying, next time I make the card, I would just flatten this portion and just save the step of putting each bear individually. But it still came out cute. So now, using my double-sided foam tape, I'm going to go ahead and adhere it to the card. Such an easy, simple project that looks so well done. Looks like you got it from a store, but you made it at home with Crafting with Shaneda. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm hoping that you are learning a little bit or a lot. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the game once we post new videos weekly. And we will see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!